Class 4 EVS. Okay, let's start. Now we'll start the second chapter, that is Sensing the World. All of you write the date. Sensing the World. Write one activity that you can do with the help of the following sense organs. Eyes, we see with our eyes. Nose, we smell with our nose. Ears, we hear with our ears. You write, okay? Eyes, we see with our eyes. Nose, we smell with our nose. Ears, we hear with our ears. Clear? We get information about the world around us through our sense organs. A sense organ help us to give information about the world. They sense things. They sense things around us and send signals to our brain. Do what? They sense. Our sense organs sense the things around us and they give us signal to the brain. Then our brain interrupts those signals and gives instruction according to which our body react. Now our sense organ sense the things, then the sense organ sends signals to the brain, then the brain react and gives signals to react according to our body. Okay. Now the sense organs help us to react. According to that, our body reacts what we have to do. Suppose our sense organ thus help us to be aware of the things happening in our surrounding. We have 5 sense organs. These are eyes, ears, nose, tongue, skin. 5 sense organs, everyone know that they are eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin. 5 sense organs. Okay. Now our senses. Eyes. Let's start with eyes. Eyes help us to see, read books, watch television, etc. So eyes help us to do what? See, read books, watch television, etc. They also make us aware about dangerous things like a speeding car coming towards us. Our eyes, with eyes we can see a speeding car, a car which is full of speed is coming toward us. The eyes sends it. Then what happens? The eyes send signal to our brain. Eyes will send signal to the brain that we have to move now. Then the brain order our body. Brain will order our body. Our body will react accordingly. Then we will move away from the danger. Okay. What happened? When we see a car is coming with full speed, our brain, eye will send signal to the brain. Brain will react. Okay. Brain will give signal to our body will then react, and then brain will tell our body to move away from there. Then we'll move away. Okay. Then we'll move away from the danger. Okay. That is the thing our senses work. Okay. Eyes. Next, let's turn the page. Our ears. Next is ears. Ears help us in to hear many sounds like tinkling of a bell. The bell when it rings, tinkle. Okay, tinkling of a bells, or the honking of a car. Pa pa. The honking of a cars. Okay. Thus, ears also alert us about the dangers around us. Ears also help us to sense the danger that is around us. Okay. Same way, eyes and ears also. Now, nose. Nose help us to smell. A smell could be pleasant. Pleasant means very good smell, like the fragrance, like the smell of a flower or a perfume. It's very good smell. It could be foul. Foul means a bad smell, like the smell from a garbage. All the garbage dump means all the bad things that we throw in a dump, that is called garbage dump. That is very bad smell comes. There is foul smell. We detect different types of smell with the help of nose, and we can make out good smell, bad smell through what? Through our nose. Okay. This is the work of nose. Then tongue. Our tongue help us to taste sweet, salty, bitter and sour things. Our tongue help us to what? We can taste a food is whether sweet, salty, okay, bitter, very bad smell, sour, okay, things. Okay, our tongue tastes whether the food is sweet, salty, bitter, sour things. Now, lemon is sour, bitter is bitter gourd. Okay, salty is salt taste and sweet is, you know, everyone sweet. Sugar is sweet taste, salt is salty taste, bitter gourd is bitter taste, and so lemon are sour taste. Okay, it help us to speak. Our tongue also help us to speak. This is the work of tongue. Tongue help us to feel the taste and it help us to speak. That is the work of tongue. Next, the skin covers our whole body and protect it. The skin covers our body and skin covers our body, protect us. It help us to feel things. Skin help us to feel things. We can feel hot and cold things with the help of our skin. We can feel hot and cold things with the help of our skin. Okay, skin help us to feel things. And this one no need to do. Now this one, see. Tick the correct option in each following sentences. We see with the help of our eyes or nose, will tick mark. Lemon is sweet na sour, tick mark in taste. The smell of rose is good na bad, you tick mark. We feel cold hot in summer, tick mark. We hear the sound of the ringing bell with the help of our tongue na ears, you tick mark. This one you will do homework. This one you will do homework. Okay, this one will be your homework for today. So this much. So what have you learned? Let us revise once. Our senses help us to do what? We have 5 sense organs: eyes, ears, nose, tongue, skin. Eyes help us to see. Eyes will see, then it will send signal to the brain. Brain will react, then our body will react according to that signal. Okay, eyes, that is the work of eyes. Then ears. Ears help us to hear. By hearing a sound, we can understand what is happening. Okay, so ears also help us to make us alert. Nose help us to smell, good smell, bad smell. Okay, nose help us to do. Our tongue help us to taste sweet, salty, bitter, sour, and it also help us to speak. Tongue also help us to speak. And skin help us to feel things. Hot, cold, we can feel with the help of our skin. So skin help us to feel things. Okay, so this is for today this much. So we have learned this. Our senses, we have 5 sense organ: eyes, ears, nose, tongue, skin. And the work of eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin we have learned today. Okay, so for today till this much. Clear? And this one will be your homework. All of you do this one. Give a tick mark, right option from here, give a tick mark, and you will send in the group. Okay, you will send in the group, all of you. Clear? Please do your homeworks. Okay, for today this much. Thank you.